Just looking at another renovation project. This would be the in-law suite. The main house is over that way. And all this is going to get updated, renovated, and then hopefully we get it back on the market, but it's going to look 1,000 times nicer. Find myself in another basement. Look at this room. Potential to be finished. You got I-beams over here, spiders. Now in here, looks a little dark, but as you can see, really big basement, and has furnaces that aren't even working. There's your plumbing line, looks like PVC plumbing, right? Cast iron might be going out to the street. You have central vac. You have another furnace system that does not look to be functional at all. Kind of crazy, but water heater will have to be replaced. Electrical looks decent, but we'll see when we try to turn stuff on. Clearly there's power here still. Water line coming in, and then you have another furnace that might not be working. So looks like we got our work cut out here for this basement.